Good day everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today what we're going to be doing is an overall comparison between Good Food Meal Kit Delivery Services and the other company is called HelloFresh Meal Kit Delivery Services. We are going to be ranking these companies out of 10 different categories. Each category is worth 10 points, so 10 categories times 10 points will give 100% score. So whoever scores the highest will be the overall winner. So first category, price over value. How much did we pay and was it worth it? So here are the scores. As you can see, both companies were excellent, but Good Food pulled away with 1 point. So I gotta give the victory ding to the left side. Ding! Category number 2, online menu. Did it look good on their website? Was it appetizing? Here are the scores. Good Food actually managed to pull away with an easy victory on this one, so the ding has to go on the left side again. Ding! Website, was it easy to play with and change stuff around? And here are the scores. So the ding has to go on the right side. Ding! We've noticed that with HelloFresh, some of the food was frozen. It was written on the packages, previously frozen. So yeah, Good Food goes away with the victory on this one. Ding! And now for one of the most interesting categories, portion. How much food was there in my plate and in my wife's plate? Well, this is actually the meat and potatoes of the whole review, is it not? We all want the bang for the buck. If you check out the scores, well, Good Food goes away with the victory on this one. Ding, ding, ding. I also mentioned in the past videos for this one over here, overall food prep, both companies tied it up on this one. They were both not complicated, but a bit confusing to prep. This was a tie. Service and support. This is also very important when you're dealing with a company. You're giving them money. You want service and support when complication arise. So basically we did have some problems with both of the companies, but basically just by either a chat box or email or even a phone call, they rectified the situation very fast. This was a tie. Delivery service. Oh boy, both companies had problems with this one, but HelloFresh pulled away with the victory on this one, meaning that there are words on stickers on the boxes, but the delivery services are not reading these words on the stickers on the boxes. Ding. Environmentally friendly. Everything is about plastic nowadays. You use plastic, well, you're a murderer. So victory goes to HelloFresh for using paper bags. Ding. Now in this category, promotion, what do these companies offer for promotions? You open up a box when you get one at home, and inside there's often a coupon or 3 coupons offering you either 50% off or 100% off. And this one goes to Good Food. Each time we had these coupons to give to people, well, that person receiving the coupon has the opportunity to buy a box for a maximum value of, I think it's $89. And that's in a full box free with 3 meals in it. As opposed to HelloFresh, they do offer it, but I've also seen 50% off or $40 off, which is the same thing. So victory goes to Good Food for this category. Ding, 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 ding. So after adding up all these scores, 10 categories marked on 10 points, you can clearly see that Good Food is the overall winner with 82%, but close in second place is HelloFresh with 80%. So there you have it. Good Food is the winner in this food fight competition between Good Food Meal Kit Delivery Services and HelloFresh. They were very close. I do recommend both companies. I may now declare the official winner. Ding! Ding! Winner, winner, chicken dinner! Wah, 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 wah. Wow. Well, thank you for stopping by, and if you don't mind, click like. Leave a comment if you want. But the last thing I'm going to ask, go see on YouTube MagicPhil76. It's my brother's channel. Why not go subscribe? And you'll see he will amaze you. See you next time.
The magic happens at MagicPhil76. MagicPhil76. It's where the magic happens.